exploring the profound wisdom of the Upanishads. In the quiet depths of ancient India, amid the tranquil flow of the sacred Gangas, there arose a body of philosophical texts that would shape the spiritual consciousness of humanity for millennia to come. These texts, known as the Upanishads, represent the culmination of the philosophical inquiry of the Vedic period, delving into the mysteries of existence, consciousness, and the ultimate nature of reality. In this narration, we embark on a journey through the profound wisdom contained within the Upanishads, seeking to understand their timeless relevance and profound insights into the human condition, origins and background. To truly appreciate the Upanishads, one must first understand their historical and cultural context. The Upanishads are a collection of ancient Sanskrit texts that form the philosophical basis of Hinduism, dating back to around 800-200 BCE. They are considered the final part of the Vedas, the oldest sacred scriptures of Hinduism, and are sometimes referred to as Vedanta, meaning the end of the Vedas. The word Upanishad itself has various interpretations, but it generally refers to the idea of sitting down near a teacher to receive spiritual instruction. Indeed, the Upanishads are characterized by their profound dialogue between sages and seekers, exploring the deepest questions of human existence. Themes and philosophy. Central to the teachings of the Upanishads is the concept of Brahman, the ultimate reality underlying all existence. Brahman is described as both immanent and transcendent, pervading everything in the universe yet transcending all forms and limitations. It is the source and sustainer of all things, the unchanging essence behind the ever-changing phenomena of the world. At the heart of the Upanishadic teachings is the idea of Atman, the inner self or soul, which is identified with Brahman. This concept of the identity between Atman and Brahman, expressed in the famous phrase, Tat Tvam Asi, thou art that, lies at the core of Hindu metaphysics and is considered the key to liberation, moksha, from the cycle of birth and death, samsara. The Upanishads also explore the nature of reality, Maya, the illusory nature of the phenomenal world, and the importance of transcending attachment to it in order to realize one's true nature. They teach that true knowledge, jnana, arises not from intellectual understanding alone but from direct spiritual experience, through meditation, introspection, and self-inquiry. Key texts and teachings. Among the many Upanishads, some stand out as particularly influential and widely studied. The Chandogya Upanishad, for example, contains discussions on the nature of the self, the significance of sound, shabda, and the practice of meditation. The Brihadaranyaka Upanishad explores profound philosophical questions through dialogues between sages and kings, touching upon topics such as the nature of creation, the soul, and the afterlife. The Katha Upanishad, with its narrative of a young seeker named Nachiketa who confronts the god of death, Yama, delves into the nature of life and death, the path to immortality, and the importance of discerning the eternal from the transient. The Mundaka Upanishad emphasizes the distinction between knowledge that leads to liberation, vidya, and knowledge that leads to worldly pursuits, avidya, urging seekers to pursue the former. The Taittiriya Upanishad contains the famous analogy of the layers of the self, comparing the human being to a series of concentric sheaths, koshas, covering the innermost essence. The Isa Upanishad reflects on the interconnectedness of all beings and the imperishable nature of the divine, urging seekers to see the divine presence in all things. Influence and legacy. The teachings of the Upanishads have had a profound impact not only on Hinduism but also on the broader religious and philosophical traditions of the world. They have inspired countless seekers, philosophers, and mystics across cultures and centuries, from ancient India to modern-day thinkers. The Upanishads exerted a significant influence on the development of other Indian philosophical systems, such as Vedanta, Yoga, and Tantra. They also played a crucial role in the emergence of Buddhism and Jainism, which arose in response to the prevailing Vedic traditions of their time. Beyond the Indian subcontinent, the Upanishads found resonance in the works of Western philosophers such as Arthur Schopenhauer, who regarded them as the production of the highest human wisdom. Translations and interpretations of the Upanishads have proliferated worldwide, attracting seekers of truth and wisdom from diverse cultural backgrounds. Relevance today. In an age characterized by rapid technological advancement and materialistic pursuits, the teachings of the Upanishads offer a timeless antidote to the existential dilemmas of human existence. Their emphasis on inner transformation, spiritual realization, and the pursuit of ultimate truth speaks directly to the perennial quest for meaning and purpose in life. In a world marked by division and conflict, the Upanishads remind us of the underlying unity of all existence and the interconnectedness of all beings. They invite us to transcend the limitations of ego and identity, recognizing the divine spark that resides within each and every being. In conclusion, the Upanishads stand as a beacon of light in the vast ocean of human knowledge, illuminating the path to self-discovery, spiritual liberation, and universal harmony. As we continue to navigate the complexities of existence, may we draw inspiration from the timeless wisdom of the Upanishads, seeking to realize the eternal truths they embody and to awaken to the boundless potential of the human spirit.